You're gonna f everything up.
What up, guys? So today you can hear this thing in the background. You can see the camera moving with it. But today we're going to be working on the SS, and we're going to put the xforce varex mufflers on here to be able to quiet it down and also be able to have it loud whenever we want to, you know, have the best of both worlds. And let's go ahead and hear it. So right now it's currently pretty loud. It does have like a valved exhaust, but it going down to a 2.5 from a 3-inch was kind of killing power. So we want to go 3-inch all the way with the xforce varex. Then check out this angle. This thing has some pretty good angle with the Blue 808 angle kit. There, we got it. We're gonna head over to my buddy Alex's house, and I don't know how to TIG weld, nor do I know how, I mean, I know how to weld a little bit, but not to the point where I want my exhaust with my welds, you know. I probably should be learning on my own stuff, but I just bought a TIG welder, and I'm gonna have Alex go ahead and weld it up for me. So we're gonna go fit the exhaust, and the reason being because I have American Racing 2-inch primary headers since we plan on boosting this car, and xforce makes, I think that's a 1 3/4 or a 1 7/8, I'm not exact, I don't remember exactly, but I wanted to use their mufflers, so we're gonna use American Racing long tubes to xforce catback pretty much. So we'll see how it goes. I really needed like a chest cam or a helmet cam to be wearing while I'm driving this thing, or driving any of the other cars, so I can get like a point of view for you guys. But it's kind of hard to hold this big camera and drive, so we'll see you guys there.
Is it really?
Yo.
It's not the right one.
Yo.
You say map gas?
Bro, how you bought the, just because it's yellow?
They had 3 different.
That is the wrong one, my dude. Jesus Christ, I told you get map gas.
Bro, just because it's yellow don't mean it's the
It says
same.
map.
No, that's pro, bro. Pro is not the same.
Yeah, pro will blow.
Alright, whatever. I'm just gonna use the words right left of this out of this.
You're right, you got the right one. Good job.
They do go by color.
It's all jokes. All jokes.
You know what you're doing over there?
I'm hoping for the best, but I'm praying for the worst.
Because I don't know what I'm doing.
AKA, no idea.
Alright, so we got the xforce exhaust there. Stock mufflers. Down here. So down there it goes from 3-inch to 2.5. Need to cut it there at the 3-inch and keep it all 3-inch. Can you explain to us what we're doing?
Hold on. Let it work for you.
So all this complaining and you're not even working. Getting rid of those guys. Getting rid of those guys. And
Before tomorrow.
you guys think it's lunch break?
Mm-hmm.
You're a happy mom?
I'm waiting on you, bud.
No check?
Those chicken wings were not it.
Not it.
No.
Louis? What?
See where it says that?
It says what?
2 T is in Todd. You see that?
Next one is 14.
Click on that.
Alright.
Okay, that's not it either. Alright, go to the next.
Hey, bro. You quit today?
That's quick. I got my car's getting worked on today too. So.
No filming for you?
No, today we're peers. We're not. I'm a customer too today.
It's all tacked up and not ready to go.
It's only tacky. That's what it is.
And what are you doing back here?
The welder's leaving. Whoa.
Hey, bro, what do you think you're doing?
Come on, bro. Come here. You feel me?
You're not welding anything on my car.
Hold on, bro. Got you, bro. Chill out, bro. For real. No faith in the homies is crazy.
You know what to do with that?
Alright.
Where you going, bro?
I don't think learning in expensive exhaust is the best bet, but
How do you turn this on?
how you turn it on, but it's gonna weld it is crazy.
Oh, I just say 169. Where's the little stick?
Hello?
What's the stick?
I think so.
Hey, how do you turn this thing on?
Turn what on?
The welder.
Bro, don't you dare.
I'm gonna weld it, bro.
Try it.
You're gonna f everything up.
I told you, that's exactly what I said.
Which what?
Which stick do I use?
The one that's on the table?
Are you gonna try to weld it?
Yeah.
Bro, you're gonna put holes in it and then I'm gonna have to struggle.
That's what I said, Alex.
I'm gonna try a little piece at least.
I don't think you should.
I don't think he should either.
We're gonna try this. What stick do I use? There's a lot of fucking sticks. I don't know which one's which.
There's a bag. There's some that are in a plastic bag and they're really tiny.
One.
So you see it from 50 amps. Okay. So yeah, you see that piece of stainless steel plate that's on my table?
Plate on your table. The big plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Practice on that.
Alright, gotcha.
You want to keep it up like an 1/8 inch above the metal.
1/8 inch above metal and just dip it in, huh?
And
Just the tip, huh?
wire. Just let it mount and then you add wire.
Alright.
You know, add wire.
We got this, bro. We got this.
Oh, okay. Let's look these up. You're gonna buy whatever you think.
I mean,
He did.
mine is so the welder's mine. We got more at home. We just became welders overnight.
Journeyman welder.
Oh, that shit's good. Oh, look at the hole. Going on here, but I ain't got it, my dude. I ain't got it.
Hey, don't quit your day job, bro.
I ain't got it.
Or at least don't quit for welding at least.
Yeah, I'm a little different here. Yo, so what's going wrong here? Like, I need to figure out what's going on.
Bro! Oh my god.
Is that good or no?
No.
Flip it the other way.
Like, that's where you did it, you know, but like that's where I did it.
That was a f***ed up tack underneath the car that didn't have to like go over it nicely.
I know, so mine looks a little better. Mine looks like a hold on.
Bro.
The guy she tells you not to worry about, and then
Take
you.
the torch out of his hand, Wes.
Yo.
Clean up the mess you caused.
What do you think about my welding?
I think you need some work, buddy.
I think it's good, bro.
You need to stick to building cars? Or?
I think it's good. Some TIG welding for you.
Why'd you do this?
It looks good.
Wait, you welded all the way around?
I tried. It didn't work. I kept practicing, dude. You wanted me to practice on that big piece of metal. How am I supposed to do that? That big piece of metal is never gonna melt.
I don't really know what to say.
Oh, you're really grinding it.
A little bit.
That's weird. That's what I did. That's weird. That's weird.
This is yours down here, buddy.
That's weird.
That's not.
It looks exact same, dude. I don't see the difference.
This is nonsense.
I don't think it's the same.
It looks the same.
Ripping the balance off. Oh God, don't do that.
Edgar.
Dang. I need some of these mufflers.
We got Louis over here, moral support. Like,
How's it coming out, Louis?
No, it needs to go up.
Hey, I feel fine. Fine the other way.
Back up here. So that's the exhaust on the car. It's valved now. It has an open and close feature where it gets super quiet. What do you think, Louis?
sounds good. I like it.
Need some for the GTO?
Hell yeah, I need some.
We need some mild to wild. And that over there, it's the definition of a Prius. All right, so what are we doing in this bucket?
Turning the stock exhaust back on because
Taking the studs out first.
taking the studs out first because I broke them.
They gotta be drilled out.
You broke them?
I broke them. I tried not to.
Well, can you jack the car up because it's not gonna get anything done right there.
That's true.
Having a mental
Cars do not jack themselves up.
So as you guys seen, after 3 hours of Wes trying to jack up his car and put it on jack stands, it's already dark
I've been a
outside.
good 30 minutes. No help.
It's been dark out. Oh, no help. No help. Alex.
I guess we
You
need
hear
help
this?
jacking up our cars. Hey, somebody calls up.
What are you doing?
helping.
You helping?
Yeah, about to,
You're on fire watch?
I'm about to get over there. Hold on, watch.
Call that helping boy.
Hold on, guys, hold on, watch. Okay, boy.
Move the light out of the way.
You feel me? Oh no, you see it?
I know your back hurts right now.
Yes, this is an engine. Check engine.
Oh, you.
Oh!
Wow.
They laugh, they're good.
Thanks
I'm
for
sorry, that was
thanks
an
for spraying the camera, but we're back.
I want to see how it looks with the spray.
He's cooking some scante off the wheel.
Warriors.
What's your boy cooking over here?
Hey, man.
What's that even mean?
We're putting on Wes's Corsa exhaust, you know. Check this out.
2,
He made it with conduit.
1, 2, 3.
What do you want me to do with this? Welded by Alex.
No, that's not.
Bro, this is the kind of welds you do around here, Alex?
Not my work.
This is the conduit work you do out here?
They're helping you guys again. 2.5 inch.
It's almost time to go home, dude. It's almost past my curfew.
It's definitely 2.
The thing, put it in reverse. What are you doing?
Oh, dude. Oh,
Yeah, that a girl? Looks like you got a night light on down there.
Might have to drill both sides, honestly.
Don't over tighten those because those will snap.
Well, boys, it's been a long day. Louis, look pretty wet over there, my dude. It's storming.